My name is Chelsea from SIB Visions, and today I'm going to show you how to add to your user interface more than just data elements. We can add tables, detail forms, filters, and so on. For that, we will create a new screen, which we will name Data Elements 2, and choose an empty universal layout. I'll need to add my data source from an existing database. I will choose my customer data model and include everything. Now at the bottom, I have all of my data elements that I can add to my screen. First, I'm going to add a split panel for my container. On the left side, I will drag and drop my customers table. On the right side, maybe I want to have a form. So now on the left side, I have my customers list, and on the right side, a details form. I'll also add a filter element at the top of the left side. Let's have a look in the live preview. After logging in, we just navigate to the Data Elements 2 screen, and I can see my filter, my list, and my details. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.